Few engines in automotive history are as polarizing, innovative, and legendary as the rotary engine. Unlike conventional piston engines, which have dominated the automotive world for over a century, the rotary engine took a radically different approach to power. It's compact, high revving, and smooth, but it's also notorious for quirks like high fuel and oil consumption. While several automakers experimented with it, only one truly embraced it: Mazda. Their bold commitment to the rotary engine would not only shape their brand, but also leave a lasting impact on the global automotive and motorsport scene. Today, we're diving deep into the history, technology, and legacy of the rotary engine, Mazda's influence, and the ripple effects on the motoring world. The rotary engine was invented by German engineer Felix Wankel in the 1950s. Unlike piston engines that rely on up and down motion, the rotary engine uses a triangular rotor spinning inside a specially shaped housing called an epitrochoid. Each rotation completes the 4 strokes: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust, in one smooth motion. This gives the rotary engine a unique combination of power, smoothness, and high revving potential. A small displacement rotary can produce power equivalent to a much larger piston engine, and it's compact enough to fit in places piston engines can't. But there are drawbacks. Early Wankel engines suffered from apex seal wear, oil consumption, and fuel inefficiency. Despite these issues, the design was revolutionary, a new path in engine technology, and one that Mazda would take to heart. While Wankel's invention sparked interest worldwide, most automakers treated it as an experiment. Mazda, however, saw opportunity. In the early 1960s, the Japanese automaker was small and ambitious, looking for a way to stand out in a crowded industry dominated by Toyota, Nissan, and Honda. Mazda bet on the rotary engine. In 1967, they introduced the Cosmosport 110S, a sleek 2-seater powered by a 982cc twin-rotor engine producing 110 horsepower, a staggering output for its size. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Compact, fast, and technologically advanced, the Cosmo showed the world that Mazda wasn't afraid to think differently. By embracing the rotary engine, Mazda positioned itself as a company willing to push boundaries, something that would define its brand for decades. Let's get technical for a moment. The rotary engine's design is deceptively simple. 3 main parts: the rotor, the housing, and the eccentric shaft. But the devil is in the details. The apex seals at the rotor's tips are crucial. They maintain compression and prevent leaks, but they also wear quickly under high stress. The engine's smoothness comes from continuous rotation, avoiding the vibrations inherent in piston engines. And because there are fewer moving parts, it's lighter and more compact. A twin-rotor engine can fit in the same space as a 4-cylinder piston engine, but rev higher and deliver thrilling power. However, challenges remain. Fuel efficiency is low, emissions are higher, and cooling is critical to prevent engine failure. Mazda engineers spent decades refining these engines, balancing reliability with performance, an ongoing challenge that still fascinates enthusiasts today. Rotary engines weren't just for the road, they excelled on the track. Mazda's first foray into racing with the rotary engine came in the 1960s, but it was in endurance racing that the engine truly shined. The pinnacle came in 1991, when the Mazda 787B, powered by a 4-rotor Wankel engine producing 700 horsepower, won the 24 Hours of Le Mans. This was historic, the first and only Japanese car to win outright at Le Mans, and the only rotary-powered car to ever do so. Its shrieking, high-pitched sound became legendary. Mazda continued racing rotary-powered cars in IMSA, JGTC, and other series, proving that despite its quirks, the rotary engine could compete at the highest level. These racing efforts also fed back into their production cars, improving performance, cooling, and reliability. Rotary engines powered some of Mazda's most beloved cars. The RX-3 introduced performance to the masses, the RX-7 became a global sports car icon, and the RX-8 refined the concept with a modern take on rotary design and a 4-door configuration. Each of these cars pushed the boundaries of what a small displacement engine could do. They became staples in street racing, drifting, and car enthusiast culture worldwide. The RX-7 in particular is still revered for its lightweight chassis, balanced handling, and rotary heart, proof that Mazda created more than cars. They created legends. Mazda's commitment to the rotary engine also shaped automotive culture. Fans around the world embraced the unique sound, high-revving excitement, and engineering ingenuity of these cars. Rotary engines sparked innovation, inspiring other manufacturers to experiment with alternative engine designs. Even today, Mazda is exploring rotary engines as range extenders for hybrid and electric vehicles, showing that this decades-old technology still has relevance. The rotary engine isn't just nostalgia, it's a symbol of innovation and risk-taking in automotive engineering. The rotary engine is a testament to creativity, engineering daring, and Mazda's relentless pursuit of something extraordinary. Compact yet powerful, smooth yet wild, the rotary carved a unique place in automotive history. Whether on the track at Le Mans or in the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide, the rotary engine proves that bold ideas can leave an unforgettable mark. Mazda's rotary legacy isn't just about engines. It's about the courage to defy convention and build something extraordinary.